Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you this really awesome colourful arrow transition. So once you've launched up Adobe After Effects and you have your two video clips imported, we need to go ahead and create a brand new solid. So we'll go up to Layer, New Solid, and from here we can change the colour to anything that we like, but in this example I'm going to select a nice bright orange. So now from here we want to draw our arrow shape on our black solid, so we'll go up to the pen tool in the top bar, and just before we begin drawing the arrow we're going to launch up the proportional grid, as this will help us to keep this arrow nice and straight. Now draw your arrow on top of the orange solid layer. Be super careful and precise when you're doing this because you want this to be clean. Now once you've done that, you just want to clean up the layer, and then you want to copy that layer and paste this. So you're going to copy it by holding Command C, and you'll paste it by holding Command V. Now from here you want to press P on your keyboard, and this is going to launch up the position, and you just want to pull the position of the second orange arrow to the left. Now once you've done this, we're going to scroll across to the tab on the right, and this is the Effects and Presets tab, and inside of Effects and Presets we're going to search for Change Color. Drop Change Color on the second arrow, and on the color to change we're going to use the eyedropper tool to select the orange, and then we'll go up to Hue Transform, and we're just going to pull this up so the color changes. And now I just want to do this over and over again, so we want to copy the green layer, change the color of this, move the position over, and we're just going to do this as many times as we like. Now as you'll see, I've run out of space on the video, so we need to move all of these over to the right. So we need to link all of these to a null object. So we'll go up to Layer, New, Null Object, and then you want to parent all of the arrows, that's all of the orange solid layers, to the null object. So we'll use the pick whip tool after selecting all of the videos, and we'll drag that and drop that onto the null one. Now selecting the null object, you want to press P on your keyboard. That's going to launch up the position, and you want to pull the position over to the right. So now that we've got enough room, we can carry on doing the copying and pasting effects with the arrows. So add in as many arrows as you'd like, move the position over, change the colors. So as soon as you've completed that, we want to go into the final arrow, that's the last arrow. So in this example, this is the pink arrow, and we want to adjust the mask. So we're just going to zoom out, and we're just going to change the shape of the mask so that it fills up the entire left side of the video. Perfect. Now we need to animate this to wipe from screen left to screen right. So we're going to launch up the null object, and in the null object we're going to press P, and this is going to launch position, and we'll pull the position all the way over to the left so that it is no longer in shot. Now from here we'll pull the cursor head towards the end of the first video clip, and we'll create a brand new keyframe on the position on the null object. Scroll the cursor head towards the start of the second video clip, and we'll go back into the null object, and we're going to change the position to the very right, so the arrows should wipe across to the right of screen. Now if we play this back, you'll see the arrows very quickly wipe from screen left to screen right, but this is a little bit too quick for my liking, so we're just going to extend these keyframes out to extend the duration of the arrow. Now that's almost done. I just need to adjust the shape of the final arrow. That's the pink arrow. So I'm just going to go into the mask, and I'm going to slightly change the shape of this. And there you go, that is the colourful arrow transition now complete. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.